Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on JVol Trades. Today I came to my fridge and I see that my dispenser is not dispensing any water here. We'll need to determine if the water pump is working. First thing you want to do is open up your fridge here and you want to take a look at the bottom and you're going to see a cover. You're going to want to remove that cover because we're going to determine whether our water pump has a problem or if the line has frozen. And so we're going to remove this cover right here. And to the left, you're going to see that I have water lines over here. One of the first things that I noticed is that on this line, there is a set of instructions here on how to separate these lines. If you read the instructions, it tells you that these are push to connect connections and they're easily separated by just simply pushing against the plastic ring and pulling the line apart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that now. So here we go. First, I grabbed the bowl to put it nearby, and then I pushed up against this plastic ring here at the fitting, and then I tugged on the line, and it came right out. Please note that I disconnected the line that is coming from the back of the fridge. Then you're going to take that line and place it over the bowl. In order to test the water pump, we're going to push up against the water dispenser and see if we get any water. And here you can clearly see that the pump is working just fine. We have determined that this is most likely a frozen water line. Now we know that the line that's going up through this fridge door is frozen somewhere along the line, and we're going to need to get it defrosted. Now I'm going to show you a way to do this for free without any tools. The first thing you want to do is you want to leave the door open so that that line can defrost. And here you can see that I still have food in there that's frozen, and it should be fine. Now here I'm going to set a timer and I'll set it for 20 minutes. So we're going to put this bowl now right under the line that goes up to the fridge dispenser, and we're going to wait for it to defrost. As the line defrosts, we should start to see some water accumulating inside of the bowl. After about half of the time, I start to see some water trickling down from this line, so it tells me that it is defrosting. And here I'm halfway in, and I can see that more water is starting to accumulate inside of the bowl. When all was said and done, I waited about 45 minutes to an hour before I fully defrosted this line, and as you can see, I had more water accumulate in there. As long as that line keeps dripping, I kept the bowl there until it stopped. After there was no more dripping, I reconnected my lines, and now I'm ready to test the dispenser to see if we have cleared this line. And there we go, guys. I have water coming out. Now you'll notice that there's quite a bit of bubbles and a little bit of air coming out of there. And that's because that line was full of air when we first started. So we're going to want to flush this, and you're going to want to dump whatever water is there and continue to flush until you get a nice clean stream of water. So now we know how to determine whether the water pump is working just fine or if the line to our dispenser is frozen. So this concludes the free and easy way to clear out your dispenser line that's frozen. Don't forget to put back your cover that's in the bottom of the fridge and you'll be all set to go. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys on the next one.